Today we're going to be doing an experiment. We're going to be creating glow-in-the-dark jelly. We are going to be using fluorescent light to make this happen. For this experiment you will need jelly, a saucepan, tonic water, a wooden spoon, a bowl, scissors, a UV lamp. This is how to make this. First we need to chop the jelly into small pieces. Next we need to put the jelly in the pan. Now we add the tonic water. Now we need to dissolve the jelly and bring it to a simmer. Please ask an adult to help you with this. Now it's dissolved, we will take it off the heat. Now leave this to cool for a few minutes. Now ask an adult to pour the jelly mixture into a bowl to cool. Now leave it to set. If you would like, you can put it in the fridge after a while. Waiting. Still waiting. Even more waiting. Time to move this to the fridge. Now the jelly is set, we need to take it to the darkest room and test it out with the ultraviolet light. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, look at this cool colour. The ultraviolet light excites the molecules of quinine in the tonic water, causing them to fluoresce. If you enjoyed my science experiment on how to make fluorescent jelly, thank you for watching.